In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change NFL fantasy team name. Let's get started. First, open the NFL Fantasy app on your phone or go to fantasy.nfl.com in your browser. Make sure you are logged in into the correct account. From the home screen, tap or click on your current team. This will take you to your team's dashboard. Look for the Edit Team Settings or Team Info option. On the app, you'll usually find it by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on the team name field, type your brand new name, and make sure it follows the NFL fantasy name rules, no offensive or restricted words. Once you are happy with the name, hit save or submit. Your new team name will be updated instantly for your league. And that's it. You have just rebranded your NFL fantasy team in just few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.